Now you can generate an image on Stable Diffusion and swap it with any face you like without training any models and with just few clicks. And that's made possible with newest addition to Stable Diffusion called Roop AI. For this to work, you need to have Stable Diffusion installed on your system. I have made another video where I have shared step-by-step process to do that. And I have shared the link of that video below in the description. So you can check that out. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be discussing how you can install Roop AI on your Stable Diffusion and use it to swap faces. So this is the GitHub page from where you can get the link to install Roop AI. I've shared the link of this below. But before we install Roop AI, we have to install Visual Studio. But while installing Visual Studio, you have to make sure that you also install Python and C++ packages. So click on this link and this will take you to the page from where you can download Visual Studio. We'll be downloading the community version of it. For that, click on this link. This will be downloading the setup. We'll open the setup file. Click on continue. So now we have downloaded Visual Studio installer. So check this, and Visual Studio extension development. Then click on install. So Visual Studio installation is complete. Now we will install Roop AI. To do that, we will go on Stable Diffusion application, click on extension, then go to available, then click on load from, type Roop and press the install button. So installation is now complete. Then we will go to install. And here we can see the Roop AI is installed now. Now we will click on apply and restart UI. So now installation is complete. But for Roop AI to work, we have to close and restart the application again. So we will do that. Then we will go to Stable Diffusion folder and relaunch the application. So we have relaunched the application. We will click on the URL. So now Roop AI is installed on our system. Now I will tell you how you can use Roop AI to swap faces. So I have generated this image using prompt and now I will use Roop AI to swap face of her. To do that, first open Roop AI and we will upload an image. I will add this face. So one thing you have to remember that you only need face. So remaining body you have to crop. Now I will click on enable and then click on generate. So one thing you will notice over here that first the image is generated and after that the replacement happens. Let's add another face and click on generate. So as I was saying, the replacement happens in the end. So again the replacement has happened. So one thing you will notice that this model is not as perfect as we see in Dream Booth or we see in LoRa, because this is just a face replacement and it does not considers the structure of body, does not consider the structure of face. It's just a face replacement application. So there is one more thing you can do with Roop AI. So I've generated another image with two women. Now if I enable Roop AI and add 0, 1 over here and click on generate. Now as you can see, the application has replaced both the faces with the image of the face we have uploaded. Now what can we do if we want to replace face of one woman with one face and face of another woman with another face? There is no direct way to do that, but there is a trick that you can follow. To do that, we will go to Stable Diffusion folder. Here we will go to extensions. Here there is this folder for Roop. We will copy it and paste it over here. So one copy is generated. Now we'll rename it as 2. Now we will close the application and relaunch it. Now we have relaunched the application, and here we can see that now there are 2 Roop tabs over here. So one image will be adding on the first tab, another face we will add here, and here we will mention 1. Now we will generate the same image that we generated before. For that we will go to PNG info, we will go to stable diffusion folder, then we will go to outputs, then we will go to text to image, and these are the images that we generated. And this was the image. Yes, this was the image that we generated. So we will open the stable diffusion app and place the image over here. Then copy this prompt and paste it here. Then copy the negative prompt, paste it here. We'll keep the sampling steps at 30. We'll click on restore faces. Realistic vision is the model that we were using. And now the most important thing, we'll copy the seed of this image and paste it. So this will generate the same image that was generated before. Now we will enable both the extensions over here and click on generate again. So as we can see, the face of the first woman has been replaced by this, and face of the second woman is replaced by this face. So what are my final thoughts on Roop AI? See, this application cannot be compared to Dream Booth or LoRa, which creates very good images. But if you want a quick solution for face swapping in stable diffusion, Roop AI is the one you should go for. With this, we come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video, press the subscribe button.